rolling over in his grave. He's buried right there. Washington's rolling over in his grave. Jefferson's rolling on his grave. The return of King George. The feudals are back. The feudalism system is completely lock, stock, barrel back. Made the dragons there. We fought them right here at the port. They're back. Germany, 1938. Italy, 1938. London, 1774. Hamilton is rolling over his grave right there at the Trinity Church. What a metaphor. What a metaphor for America. Hey, the Dragon Slayer. Dress up like some Indians and throw the freaking tea over the board. Where are the Sons of Liberty? Oh, they're right there in the street.
You witnessed it. This has been happening. This has been happening for like 3 days.
There's only one gap.
George is back. A whole bunch of Uncle Toms.
We should just go to the river.
The goal of it for most of us was to see. And
the officers that beat the refugees on the west side of the city, they ended up on it.
So I think the biggest thing for people here is the plan was that
Now that he's not going to make it any less real, what side of history are they on? How did they do it?
It's the return of King George.
Well, yeah.
Uncle Tom's all of them.
and I feel like, I mean, that keeps up, like having
To Kill a Mockingbird. Oh, they're going to do it. They're killing all the Mockingbirds. They did Darren Swartz. They did it to Pat Tillman. They did it to Michael Hastings. So sad. Our forefathers rolling over in their graves. All of them.